The disappointment of relapse and how to get over it. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. Let's talk about it. Okay, so I have been thinking about this lately, and someone asked me to comment on the fear of relapse, which I will in another video. But in this hashtag mood Monday motivation, I want to share with you that if you've had a slip or a relapse, every good adventure towards becoming a better version of yourself includes some level of failure, or perceived failure at least. I don't actually think there is anything as failure. I think there's only perceived failure. Because if you learn from it and you learn to move on and become stronger and you keep moving forward, it's actually a win, even though it's a hiccup in your journey. So when you see it that way, then you can learn from it, create fortitude, and become stronger. So if you've had a slip or a relapse, it's because the urge or the craving or the hijacker was stronger than you in that moment for that time, not forever, because you're becoming stronger in this journey. This, in fact, is a process, not an event. It's not a, I'm quitting porn, see y'all on the other side. It's, I'm making the commitment and I'm ready to quit porn. Now I'm going to put the action steps in place, and there's going to be an arc from when you make that commitment to when you master it and you become fully successful. Now, for some people, that arc can be really short. It can be commitment, boom, I'm done. But for the majority of people, the arc is a little bit bigger. I'm committing to it. It's going to go up and down and up and down, and then here you'll land in mastery. It's not a perfect arc like this. It's more up and down, up and down. You get to the level where you've mastered the skills that you need to stay successful in being stronger than the urges and the cravings, that hijacker. So if you're disappointed because you've had a slip or a relapse, here's your brain tip. This is what you need to do. You need to look at yourself in the mirror and say, I got this. I'm becoming stronger every day. Progress, not perfection. I'm stronger today than I was yesterday. Deconstruct that slip. Figure it out. Why did it happen? What led you there? Change something. If you keep doing the exact same thing, you are going to end up in the exact same place with another slip. And remember, one-time slip you can learn from and you can not have any more. If you have lots of slips, you're moving toward relapse, which means you'll be starting over. You don't want to start this journey over. Learn from it and pick up where you are stronger than the moment before the slip. It was stronger than you before. You're going to be stronger than it next time through tools, through learning from it, through strategies, through support. Now, tell somebody if you've had a slip. You should have an accountability partner. We broke that down in a different video. If your partner's in on helping you become a stronger version and it's you and your partner against the hijacker, you can tell your partner for support. You have to tell a safe person who's going to support you and help you get back on that horse moving towards your goal. You can tell me if you want, because I'm down for that. I am here for you. I was just listening to Run by Snow Patrol, which has got me in the hashtag big mood, but it is such a beautiful song. If you haven't heard it, check it out. But you need to have somebody that you can confide in and that you can have to be behind you. Any hard thing is won in as a team, not as a single person. And we know this specifically about a compulsive pornography habit. It thrives in the dark. It goes away in the light. You have to tell somebody and have somebody be on your side. There's no I in team, if you remember that. Okay, I hope this motivates you. Do not get demotivated by a slip or a relapse. Share it with someone, learn from it, get it into the light, make a new plan, and move forward so that you can put this thing behind you. Your brain will thank you, and your life will thank you. You got this. Go for it. And remember, control your brain, or it'll control you.